In this video, I want to explain to you the whole concept of Bionic reading and especially how to use it in the most popular Reader 5 app. So here is the app, you can get it, but it's not free, it costs $4.99. But nevertheless, it's still #1 app in the news. It's really a cool experience, especially if you want to read newsletters, some articles, websites, blogs, and all of that. Here's how it looks like. It has very warm design, like like organized UI, and everything works great. But the main feature why this app suddenly went viral is because people are excited about this new Bionic reading feature. This is how it looks like. Basically, this is the technology where the text is highlighted in a way that your brain can understand and process it faster. So certain types of the word are emboldened, and then your brain, because it knows these words already, it can process the text much faster. And yeah, this is one of the features of this app, is that it's one of the first apps which really adopts this Bionic reading. So anyhow, let's just go through the app and I will try to show you how to use it and all of that. So basically, here is the app. You need to purchase it. It's one-time payment of $4.99 US. Then you need to add an account. There are all these types of accounts you can add. There is like Read Later account from iCloud, Feeds account. If you use any of these apps like Pocket, Instapaper, Feedbean, Feedly, NewsBlue, Reader, like Fresh RSS, Reader Fever, you can also just create an account and sign in with this account there. In the bottom, you can filter out all the articles and account start, unread, all. Then basically I have my Feeds account, so I created it. Then you need to subscribe to some website or site URL feed. So for example, I can just subscribe to my website. You can also subscribe to Reddit. You can subscribe to Twitter. You can read Twitter threads via this app. You can also import from PML. So I don't know. And then you can just subscribe here. So this is my website. And then here it is. You can see all the items. So then you can see all, unread, start, and that's how you filter it out. This is my other website, and then I can just open it. I can see all list of blogs here and everything. So here it is, and this is the original content. This is how, like, some content about YouTube disclaimers. This is how it looks like. This is what you can read here. And yeah, so this is an overview. But like how to enable this Bionic reading feature. So you just tap in the bottom right, and then you will have this Bionic reading feature. Now you see how the text looks like. At the first sight, you can be like, wow, what just happened? Like, why do I need this? It can be like a bit annoying, but try to read this text more focused, and you will see that if you're just like focusing on the reading, it gets much faster with this feature enabled. And like, for example, you say disclaimer, and you see that the part of the word DCL is emboldened, is in a bold text. And your brain can understand this word exactly from that, because your brain already read this word like probably hundreds of times. So that's the whole idea around it. Okay, let's just go a bit more what exactly Bionic reading is. So you can go to settings here in the top left, and then here is Bionic reading setting. So let's just go through the website, bionicreading.com. This is the original website of this startup. I think it's a Swiss company. And basically, this is a new method facilitating the reading process by guiding the eyes through text with artificial fixation points. As a result, the reader is only focusing on the highlighted initial letters and lets the brain center complete the word. In a digital world dominated by shallow forms of reading, bionic reading aims to encourage a more in-depth reading and understanding of written content. So that's an overview. By the way, you can also use Bionic Reading Converter just on the website, and you can convert like TXT, Microsoft Word documents with ease, and yeah, I think it's even a bit down because everyone wants to check it out. And here it is. Soon Bionic Reading extension will be there when you will be able to use that in like Google Docs and all of that. And currently you can use Bionic Reading with these apps like Reader 5, Fairy Feeds, Lyre. So these are the apps where you can try it out. So I'm showing you the Reader 5, which is the top app for this technology. Then there is Fairy Feeds, which is a free app you can try out, and Lyre is also a paid app. So yeah, this is a technology, and you can, in Reader 5, you can enable all these settings here. Yeah, and then you can change fixation, you can change stackade, and then you can change opacity. You can disable it or enable it like this. So this is really the most advanced way to use Bionic Reading, until probably there is an extension. But this is the top way to use it in the app on your mobile device, so it's very convenient. Other than that, the Reader 5 app is super advanced. You have all these general settings where you can open links, you can sort and read items, group by date, ask before, open next feed after. So like all of these settings. And then there is appearance. So you can change your app icon here. Here you can also change the landscape layout, change theme, use system font size. You can and then you have all the reading settings, like you can use auto hide show bars, increase contrast, change the font, use default font size. And then of course Bionic Reading settings, animations, gestures. So this is a very cool feature. What happens if you swipe right or swipe left? Pull from bottom, pull next previous. Then there are services. If you want, you can sign in with Twitter or with Reddit. Then there are all your accounts, and then you can add account here as well. So you can add account with all these other services. So that's what you can do. You can always delete your account if you tap. You can see your account, then you can just delete it in case you're worried about your personal data. So yeah, but the main feature again is with this Bionic Reading. So, and you can really get adjusted to it. It can feel weird in the beginning, as I said, but then it kind of feels better. And then this app feels very nice, very well designed. All these gesture features, you can easily swipe to the bottom and then just see that. So that's basically how it works. And yep, so that's basically how it works. That's the app. We can also go through the App Store and check out some reviews, what other people are saying about this app. As you can see, it is in the top searches. So it has pretty high rating, 4.2 out of 5. You can see here feeds, sync all your feeds and articles with iCloud, read later, Bionic reading widgets. Yeah, so you can also actually add widgets, reader view, and it supports third-party services. So if we try to add a widget here, so let's just try to do that. So here it is, then you can just add a widget of recent articles. And then I can see, like add widget from one of my recent articles on the website. So, and then you can just open it up, and then you can read it here on this website. So that's the idea. That's how it works. Hope this is helpful. That's the app. Definitely give it a try. Definitely check it out. And thank you for watching.